In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your baby Jogger City Mini GT2 double stroller. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I'm the stroller mom. I review strollers and baby gear from a mom's perspective, as well as show you all the tips and tricks in taking care of your stroller, like we're going to do today with this one. If you haven't already, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Starting with the fold, you can actually fold it in any position with the handlebar, but I have found if you position it up, it stands on its own a little bit better. And there's two levers that say pull to fold here. You pull them both at the same time, and it pops in half. Now to unfold it, there's a lever here on the side, and you just pull. It opens. And here's how you use the brake on this stroller. It's actually super unique. It's here on the right side. And to lock it, you're gonna actually pull in this upward position, and that locks it. And then to unlock the stroller, you're gonna pull it up, and that unlocks it. When on bumpy or gravel roads, you may wanna lock the front wheels of your tires. So to do that, you're gonna put it in this back position, and there's a little button here, you push it, and on those two lines, and then you'll hear it lock there. You'll wanna do it on both sides. Each seat actually has its own footrest, and you just pull it out here. It kind of sticks in the beginning, but it gets better as you use it more. And then you'll see here, you'll want to position it there, and you kind of have to push, and it'll pop in right there. So now I'm going to show you how to rethread the harness as your toddler gets taller. So what you're going to do actually is start by coming to the back here and unzipping this panel here so you can put your hand down in it. Then find the position of the buckle, and you're actually going to feed it through the front. There's like a plastic piece here. Just like that. And then you're gonna adjust it based off your child's height and just put it in sideways. And then rezipper the back. To take the canopy off, what you're gonna wanna do is you're actually just gonna pull with force on both sides as it comes off. And then there's snaps here. I actually had it already undone. And then a snap right here in the middle. Pull off. And unvelcro. To install the car seat adapters for Nuna, Maxi Cozy, Cybex, Be Safe, and Kleck, you're actually going to take them here, and you can see here, this is the same for the snack tray. You're going to go on ahead and put it and push until it pops open like that. And then on this side. And now your car seat is ready to go. Then to pop your car seat on, make sure it clicks on both sides. And then to remove your Nuna car seat, if you have one, you're just gonna press the buttons. Sometimes they're here on each side and pull your car seat out. So to remove the car seat adapters, you're actually gonna push the button right here on the side, pull them open, and the stroller does fold with the car seat adapters. And then you pull this one out here, and that's how you remove the car seat adapters. Finally, to put the canopy back on, you're gonna align these two sections here on both sides, and then Velcro on the back. And then there's a snap here in the middle. And then this one you actually feed through the back here, and you can see there's a snap right there, and you pop it in there. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please be sure to like this video and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you on another video.